Founders of today are forces of the future. When it comes to startup investing, it is not just about capital, it's about true partnership, mentorship, and a long term vision. Here's what the founders from our portfolio have to say about their journey with Piper Serica Angel Fund.
I think they are the best investors to have on board.
I'll be honest, when we were raising funds, we wanted to onboard someone who can go beyond than just writing a check. Piper Serica is certainly one of those funds. From the very early days, they have never acted like a hardcore VC. They have always worked with us as a co-pilot.
If I have to really recall what has been the best thing about having them on board is that they have not just supported us with a lot of connects, with the industry expertise, the knowledge that they bring in on the table, but very important that every founder needs is that freedom of trying things, experimenting with the support that they have always believed in us.
What I really liked about the Piper Serica team is how they evaluate the companies. They really dive into the fundamentals, invest time in understanding the core of the business, and provide strategic inputs for building a long-term venture.
They understand the grit, the fear, and the unknown of building an early-stage startup. But what I love the most about Piper Serica is just the level of their maturity. The whole team comes from the public investment world, so they think really long term.
They have always been super accessible to us, supported our bold bets, and guided us wherever we needed it, and more than anything else, trusted us.
They're always founder first, very genuine advice. They don't only think about them and their return, their exit. They always care about business. They always take about the teams.
We have not only got support in terms of investment, but also the support which they bring upon the table in terms of connecting the right people, the right set of market access, as well as the right set of people who can bring value to my company on board.
What sets them apart, in my opinion, is how they make their decisions. Their convictions are based on on-ground due diligence and being able to draw insights from their public market experience.
Abhay and Ajay, they very quickly understood our goals and our motivations and what we were trying to build, which was very different from what traditional VCs in SaaS companies look at. And that was like a great comfort for us.
What actually sets them apart is the immense value that they bring beyond capital, the strategic guidance, just their calm presence in the space of uncertainty, and the immense value that they place on the founders who are looking to build.
Any startup or any company can grow to real and good heights if they're the right set of investors. Because just putting in money is not everything. It is about the expertise, their support, their connections, and this is where Piper Serica comes in.
They have supported us in all the ways by not just giving us the right connects, but also very important in hiring, and they have understood very minutely. They listen to us whenever we have our monthly calls and sessions. So they listen to us, they understand our problem core areas.
When we were building in this space, there are a lot of nuanced understanding that required in this space, and especially just tapping into the experience of Abhay and Ajay in just eating in this space for so long gave us an immense access and a great soundboarding sessions. Just refine our approach and validate a lot of our ideas while building in this space.
They came in, evaluated us in 2023. Funded us on a pre-series A round. They came in again, evaluated us in 2024, and funded our bridge round as well. They've been invaluable in providing connections and relationships in the market to us to help us grow.
Fairly young, fairly early in our whole journey, and Ajay still kept in touch with us. He helped us not just structure the product, but at the same time, he also introduced us to a lot of potential customers.
Abhay, very energetic, very forthcoming. His team, led by Hardik and Ajay, they've invested in several diverse industries. So there's a good cross learning that you get, a lot of experiences, a lot of connects that we get.
Having someone like them on your side from day one just improves your chances by 10x. They give you the freedom to run as fast as you can, but also they keep you disciplined.
From the very first call, where it took them less than 5 minutes to take a call on Castler, Abhay and team bring deep financial services domain expertise, and naturally they understand the Castler opportunity as well as anybody.
They're great partners in our growth journey.
Grateful for their support, grateful for the association. I'm looking forward to growing Pantharan with their association.
I hope for a fruitful, long-term, profitable partnership with Piper Serica.
We have been very happy and very lucky to have them as our backers.
They're just extended family. They're just extended team.
We really look forward to a long association with Piper.
Thank you, Abhay, Ajay, and the entire Piper Serica team.
So if you're building an early stage India-focused startup, I strongly recommend you to talk to Piper Serica.
I'm sure you wouldn't regret it.
Founders are our superheroes. As they navigate through challenges of building a company, by building a product, finding customers, building a team, retaining talent, getting talent, and at the same time making sure there is enough money in the bank to do all this. We understand these challenges because Piper Serica itself is a company that has gone on the same path. We completely empathize with our founders, and because of that, we bring our full might of our network to support them in every which way we can. As you heard, we support our founders by getting them customers, making the right business connections, getting them into the network that they would like to get into, helping them hire senior people, building a team, and at the same time raising capital. So our approach is very collaborative, which is something you heard in this video. And on behalf of Piper Serica Angel Fund, I would like to assure you that we would do whatever we can to the best of our ability in a very collaborative manner to help founders create high value for their startups.